Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: desktop Discord, updated graphics drivers, and an active Netflix login. Once done, enable hardware acceleration in Discord settings so video encoding offloads to your GPU. This reduces stutter. Next, open Chrome or Edge and ensure the browser's hardware acceleration is on, then sign into Netflix. Make sure no other apps are using the GPU heavily. Close game overlays, and screen recorders. These steps prepare your system for a smooth stream to Discord. You now capture the Netflix window properly. Join a voice channel in Discord, click Share Your Screen, and choose the browser window running Netflix rather than a full screen to avoid DRM conflicts. Set resolution and FPS to what your account and connection support. Pick 720p/30 for reliability or 1080p/60 if both ends can handle it. Make sure application audio is selected so viewers hear sound. Also, disable VPNs that change region, which can trigger playback protection. This ensures consistent streaming. Finish by starting playback on Netflix, then hit Go Live in Discord and confirm viewers see and hear the stream. If they report a black screen, try toggling browser hardware acceleration or switch Discord to the newer media stack option. Sometimes using the browser in windowed mode fixes DRM issues. If audio is missing, check OS Mixer and Discord app audio source and toggle experimental audio settings. Finally, if problems persist, restart both apps and the GPU driver. This often clears stubborn capture conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.